How to recover a Gmail account. I am going to show you how you can recover your Gmail account. First, open the Gmail on your phone. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Tap on the three lines shown in the top left corner of the screen. It will show you different options. Tap on Help and Feedback from the given options. Now tap on Send Feedback shown here. Tap on Sending Feedback to Google and type your feedback in the given area. As I have written, Get Help with Gmail account, you can also attach the screenshots to make it clear. Now tell me, what is your feedback about? Either it is a report, suggestion, or recovering your account. As I am reporting an issue, I have chosen that option. After that, I will give you different reasons for the report. If you have an issue given in those options, choose that option, and you can also choose another to write your issue. I have chosen another and wrote that I can't access my account, and you have to write your account as well. I've also mentioned that forgot the password and recovered it. After that, it also asks me to update my email, which I chose no. Your feedback has been sent successfully to Google. Now open the Gmail app again, go to your account and tap on your Manage Google account. Set up your email by Google. Now type your email and password to Gmail. If it doesn't sign up for your account, then go to your Google account. In passwords, type your new password and confirm your password. After that, confirm your password and your Gmail will be recovered. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.